Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Emily and today I have a pretty little thing haul. So lockdown is kind of over, technically over. If not, we are getting close for it to be over, but basically that means we can go outside. Even though I have not been outside, the choice is mine. I realized I need to get some summer clothes, and when I say need, I didn't need, I just wanted to buy some summer clothes. If you know me, then you know I just like online shopping. I hear the opportunity to go outside and then I somehow end up with, look how many packages I got. It's been a struggle for my bank account. So the question is, which package to open first? I will list everything in the description below with all the prices, all the links, and oh my god, this is too much, it's dropping everywhere. So in the first package, as you can see, we got some pastel colors going on. I'm gonna go on and try on this blue dress. So outfit number one, if you're wondering why I'm looking over here, is because this is my only mirror, it's my viewfinder, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we have. So over here we've got this blue knitted dress. It has kind of like this double stripe detailing on the sleeves. Gives me a bit of that kind of tennis-y vibe, you know, with the... Nope, let's skip that. It's a kind of like a dress that I could just wear with trainers. I don't really own a lot of sandals and whatevers and flats and stuff. I just like to pair things with trainers, and I just love the trainer look, so I feel like this would go quite well. I like this because it's not too fitted. I'm not a fan of things that are fitted because I don't really exercise, so sometimes I get this kind of like you know, the little pouch over here, so I don't want it to be... I don't know how I feel about this one because I feel like a kid, adult in a kid's little dress. I do like the color, not gonna lie, the color is quite nice, but we bought quite a few dresses over here. So this one's actually made with recycled material. It says recycled by PRETTYLITTLETHING. Don't exactly know what they do, but this is another casual one, is swell. So here's the thing, I put on this dress and I thought to myself, why do my armpits stink? And then I was just so confused, and then I realized it was not me, it was the dress. So somebody had worn this, probably returned this, and then there's me buying it after they've just worn it, and I essentially smell someone else's armpit, which is gross, so we're moving on to the next one. I'm sorry for anyone who has experienced the same experience that I've just experienced, but like, that has never happened to me before. And does this happen often? Because ew. Anyways, when they said recycled, I didn't think it actually was recycled, but we are on to the next. So over here, got this bralette. I paired it with this because just kind of thinking to myself, I don't really want to just show on a full bralette out because, you know, bralette's a bit like revealing, and I'm not about that life on YouTube. I'm not here to reveal myself to you like that. But yeah, so I thought I'd pair it with this. This is just this flowy, airy top. It's quite nice for the summer, and it kind of shows off that kind of bralette detailing that you could see. It's quite nice. So anyways, the item I am showing is the bralette, so don't need to concentrate on this. For me, it's hard to find a bralette that, like, I don't know, that looks good for me. I've bought quite a few bralettes before, and then I look back in pictures, I'm like, oh, that was a mistake. Why did I pair that with that top? I look like a fool. Anyways, I really like this one. I feel like it looks nice. It's nice and summery, nice and delicate, looks very good. Wearing it with something this thin on top is fine. Without it, you get a lot of like nip colorage. You can see my nipples through it essentially if I'm not covering it. Oh, okay, this one is nice. I like this one. So this is a white knitted dress. It's got this, what would you say? What is this called? Sweetheart neckline. I tend to gravitate towards things with this kind of sweetheart neckline. I feel like it complements me the best. This dress goes below the knees, just about here, and it has this nice little slit over here, not too high, not too low. I'm really liking this. What I like about knitted dresses is that you can dress it up, you can also dress it down. So for me, if I'm gonna go somewhere nice, I can bring this, or if I'm just gonna go somewhere a little bit more than casual, I can pair this with something that can dress it down a little bit. But I feel like this is quite nice. It gives me quite like that holiday vibe, where I don't know where I'll be because where can I go right now? But oh, so I think we can establish a little theme. Call it a little theme. I think we can establish that I got a problem with buying too many dresses, but this is nice. This is nice because it's not too skin tight. Like I said, not a fan of the skin tight ones because I know that day I am not eating well. I am dieting because I don't want the pouch to be showing. But this is a very nice summer dress. It's a lot on the looser side. It's a bit more higher up on the neckline, so you're not showing too much, you know. And I like the slit. It does feel weird though that the slit is in the middle. I'm used to a side slit, but oh, I like the material. The material is very like elasticated. It feels quite like a sporty material. Not that I do sports. I like dresses which are longer, so I don't look like I'm gonna go partying or whatever. But I do like kind of like just below the knee area. So this is nice. This is kind of holiday vibes. Can't really wear this out in the UK yet because what is this weather? Who knows? So on the what is this string? Can you see the string? I don't know if you can see it. Like just thread coming out. But it's also got a little bit of dirt here too. Hello. So as much as I would want to, I'd want to just wear like this dress out like as is. But here in the UK, weather can be here and there. It can be sunny, then raining, and then it's cloudy, and then it's sunny, and then it's raining, and then I don't really know why is the weather that's confusing. So I bought a jacket. Why did I buy this jacket? I honestly, it's a bit too thick. I feel like, oh my god, this is fat. I just kind of thought I don't really have, never mind, I do. Oh my god. You know what, it's alright. It's alright. Maybe it's because I'm wearing this dress, it doesn't really flatter it, you know. There's so much thread in here that's just coming out. So this is the thread that I showed you earlier, the thread here. Can you see it against this dress? And then here, when I'm doing the zip, there's so much thread that comes out too. But not gonna lie, this is alright. I would not wear it with this dress, of course, but yeah. Okay guys, so here we go. Here is, oh, wrong way. Here is yet, as predicted, another dress. This gives me beach vibes. It's the color. It reminds me of, you know, the parasols. It reminds me of like the patterns people have on their beach bags and stuff like that. This is very much like a beach dress. You can wear this over a bikini probably. I'll wear this out. The slit is quite high. There's two slits. There's one on the left, one on the right. It's just like cut out. Do like the length, like I said, like dresses which go below the ankle, not ankle, below the knee. Ankle, I'll fall. If I'm standing at this length with the lighting and everything, it is fine. Back up a little bit. This is see-through. Very airy, so on a hot day, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be nice and just flowy. Thing about this material is very thin. Oh, no. We are covering that. Okay, so next thing, I got this top which I didn't realize how cropped it was. On the picture, bearing in mind, I swear this girl is probably wearing a size that's triple her size, because this top was... What's this? Oh damn, they're taking the thing seriously. So this is a please do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment. Oh, they're really stepping up. There's probably a lot of people out here like that dress situation I just had that just returns it for no apparent reason after they've worn it out and just stank in it, you know? It's just things like that, I commend you than anything. Okay, so where was I? I was saying, so on the picture, I am going to insert a picture. The picture of this lady in the image, it did not look like her top was tightly fitted like this. I thought this was a kind of top I can wear as a loose fitted thing, kind of like this. Do you know what I mean? Here's the thing, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of showing this thing, because even though I'm not fat, I know that I'm skinny, but like, I'm not like, I could be leaner. It's essentially what, when I eat a little bit too much, it's kind of... But yeah, okay, so got this top, which is okay, just wish it was looser. This, I got some utility trousers. It's in this nudish pinkish color. Do you guys remember when utility like trousers were in back in the day? And I remember my mom would buy loads. It's like what she would wear, but I'm quite liking the high-waisted kind of vibe for this. I would wear this with this top, to be fair. It looks quite nice. Put some trainers on there. Okay. Actually, I feel like these are very creaseable. I feel like it just creases easily. I feel like it's one of the things, you know, regardless if you iron it, the way you sit, the way you move will make a crease in it. But I feel like, can you get away with creases in this? I don't think I care that much for people's opinion about the creases because I refuse to iron. I've been on the hunt for essentially just trousers that I can wear that are not like leggings, skinny jeans. I'm sick of just trying to, you know, I like this one. So again, another knitted dress. Material is very stretchy, very nice. It's a bit tighter than the other dresses, but it's still okay, still breathable. I'm not like, but it's nice. It's a more of a square, I guess triangle, rectangle kind of vibe. I think this is meant to be more like straight across. Oh, like this. I have never bought anything with this kind of square neckline. I don't know how to feel about things that I just like, you know, the square neckline, because I don't know, it just makes me feel square. But here we go. Over here we got a lower slit than all the other dresses before. It's quite nice. It's cut off straight at the bottom. Like blue, you know, I like the pastels, so this is, I quite like this. You could actually really grasp what my style is like. I like light colors, I like medium length dresses and a little bit of a slit sometimes. I feel like dresses like this flatter my body better than shorter dresses and longer dresses. I don't have much of stuff. Quite nice. I could wear it when I actually leave the house eventually. So we are finally there. Finally at the last piece of clothing. And did you guys think I bought another dress? Because you are absolutely right, I did. Because here we are. So this one is the polka dot version of the beach dress that I said before, and I think I like this one a little bit better. I don't know why. Sorry if you could hear a screaming child in the back. Can't control that one. So I don't know about you, but that felt like the longest haul of my life. So for those who stuck around this long, please like this video, please subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed me trying on these clothes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Smell this.
Why?
No, smell the armpit. The armpit.
No.
Just smell it.
Why?
Please come on. Okay, just put it near you. I was.
Oh wow! What the fuck? Is that you?
No, basically I think someone returned it and then.
Oh no.